Hello everyone, Blue here with Alchemy Unbound. Hope you're having a wonderful day on this beautiful sunshine. Today, upon request, I'm actually going to do a video over the types of iron and how we best can absorb them, because anemia and iron deficiencies are quite prevalent, especially in women who have regular periods. They actually need to have twice as much iron as the average male of the same age. So I was asked to talk about the different supplements for iron. I will cover that, but I'll cover that at the end, because what's more important in my belief is that we understand the best ways to absorb iron, because when we are absorbing appropriately, dosage often doesn't need to be as high as we believe. So to begin with, there's two major forms of iron we use. We use Heme iron and non-Heme iron. Heme iron comes from plant proteins, not plant proteins, animal proteins. And they are bound to a particular chemical called Heme, which is actually a natural type of chelating molecule that we use that loves to coordinate with iron. The other versions of iron, they're called non-Heme iron. Heme iron is believed to be more absorbable in the body because it's in a more natural form for meat to absorb, because it's coming from a meat. That being said, we can actually absorb non-Heme iron very, very well, also under the right conditions. So going through that, I'll keep this as brief as possible, but it is important that you know a little bit about the anatomy when we talk about this. So importantly, iron is absorbed in your duodenum, which is the first section of your small intestines. In this part of your intestines, it's very important what's going on here. If you have too much calcium in your body, it'll actually block the channels, preventing you from being able to absorb any form of iron, both Heme and non-Heme. If you get iron from a plant source, it is very important that you add vitamin C or ascorbic acid. That is the #1 element, chemical molecule that our body actually uses to absorb iron, by and far, across the board. Adding vitamin C to any iron meal or supplement will increase your body's absorption considerably. Specifically, for instance, if you like to cook green vegetables, after you've cooked like broccoli and leafy greens a little bit, add some vitamin C afterwards, and all of that iron that they naturally have are now very available for you. Okay, I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to start another one here in just a second.